Hello everyone. In the last lecture we have studied about cytoplasm and cell organelles. This lecture is in continuation with last one. Here we will study about plastids, vacuoles and difference between plant cell and animal cell. So plastids, they are cell organelles but they are present only in plant cell. They are not present in animal cell. Then like mitochondria, they are double layered structure. That means they have double membrane. Inside this plant cell plastids, what you have is cytoplasm like fluid, which here it is known as stroma, and then they have disc shaped layers called granum. This granum, what you have is, like if you are talking about chloroplast, now granum in chloroplast is responsible for catching of sunlight or light rays. So mainly you have three type of plastids: chloroplast, chromoplast and leucoplast. Out of these, leucoplast is not having any color. Chloroplast, it has green color. Chromoplast, it can have many colors like red, orange, yellow. Now this chloroplast is very important. As you know, it contains chlorophyll, that is a green pigment that help in process of photosynthesis. That means it produces and store glucose. It also produces oxygen. So this green color, light green color, if you see here, this is your stroma, and this, if you see this disc shape, this is your granum, and on this granum you have this chlorophyll. This is disc shaped, it has chlorophyll pigment and it catches sunlight. Similarly you have chloroplast. Now different colors of fruits, flowers are because presence of this plastid, that is chromoplast. So it has red, orange and yellow pigment, and it is found in flowers and fruit. Last, leucoplast, it is colorless, and main work of this leucoplast is to store food, that is in the form of starch and glucose. Vacuoles, in plant cells the size of vacuoles is very big. If you see these two figures in the end, this is animal cell and this is plant cell. So if you see this here, this is your vacuole. It's very big in plant cell, whereas in animal cell it is very small. This is also a major difference between plant cell and animal cell. So in it helps in storage of solid and liquid content. In plant cells it is very large size and it help in turgidity. That is, it help plant to stand against gravity, and it even act as a storage bag for substance like amino acid, so sugars, organic acid and proteins. In amoeba, you see amoeba is your unicellular organism, and mainly it consume food. When it consumes food, it stores that in vacuoles only. Major difference between plant cell and animal cell: plant cell contain plastids, where animal cell doesn't contain plastids, and vacuoles, they are very big in plant cell as compared to animal cell. So you can see this difference. These are similarities between plant cell and animal cell, and this here, they are the difference. First is plant cell have cell wall, whereas animals, they don't have any cell wall. Large vacuole, they have very small or no vacuole. Here the work of vacuole is just to store some amino acid or sugars, and here it provides rigidity or turgidity to plants. Then it has chloroplast, it has no chloroplast, that is plastids. Flagella only in gametes, whereas flagella is present in many cells. This flagella help in locomotion, in motion. And mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, rough and smooth endoplasmic reticulum, nucleus, cytoplasm, ribosomes, they are some common organelles that are present in both plant and animal cell. This difference you can see in form of picture also. So this is the picture of plant cell, this is the picture of animal cells. Many organelles are same and many which are different. One is the cell wall, then this vacuole, this chloroplast, others are same. This is the last topic of this chapter.